I don't know. Actually, kenu nukuno si meputefe bia kani no kono no sonibo eba kita na Supu, the Igbo language cafe. I was no watching K Ibazo na 2018. Echikita 2019 or 2019 a video. Keka 2018 and Ganando Demano. So how was 2018 for you? You know? I just want to talk about the highlights of 2018 for me. I mean, besides work and family and everything, you know, I don't want to start saying, oh, work went well, because I'm na ologo of ma ndimadu ye put down ologo of ma mono mwaka mofuma no na akoko. That's a completely, it's expected-ish, you know. Manakitaze, kidi go me. So what have you done with yourself? For me, you know, I can't see video Supu. I know Supu is still very, or this YouTube channel is still very new, it's still very young, and I haven't had enough time to put into this. You know, and that is something I'm hoping to you know, do a lot more of in 2019. So one of my big highlights of 2018 is actually coming out on video. Yes, I am super duper video, like I'm on a good day. Normally I'm so anti, I can't come out on TV, I can't come out on video or picking pictures and things like that. So Ipotana Supu, here to say, you know what, for me to actually start Supu up as an avenue to teach Igbo language, I would like to come out on YouTube, because this way I can reach a lot of people from my little corner, from my little, if you see where I am right now, my little space, from this little Tringon part of my study, you know, I can reach people all over the world. It all depends on guys sharing. So
wherever you are, because share about the video. You know, if you have not subscribed, subscribe button. Click the bell button nowadays. I think the bell button is, I'm always looking for that bell button. It's somewhere here, wherever it is. But guys, subscribe, share this video.
Comment, tell me what you like, what I should change, what I should add to. Let's get back to it. So for me, 2018, you know, coming out on video, I'd rather just stay behind the just hide behind the curtains and push things and begin to press a button rather than coming out. So that's my style. But I thought, you know, I really want this because it's so important to me right now. It's not just about learning Igbo language or Igbo language, you know. Onwere asusu obuna ebe obuna mmadu si eziokwu mo na adi mma ka ụmụaka mụta ọ bụrụ sọ si na-asụ bekee una na-afụ ka ndị mmadụ si n'obodo ndị ọzọ na-abịa asụ bekee mmakwa ka esi asụ asụsụ nke ya. If you look, people from other countries, French, France, or China, or, you know, different parts of the world, they speak English. They can speak their languages fluently. If you go to France, people are speaking French fluently. And you say, go to a restaurant and you ask a French, like you ask someone in the restaurant, you know, can I have this? And they reply you in English. It's interesting that people can speak their own languages and speak English language again. So why can we not learn how to speak our traditional and native languages? Oburu Igbo, Son Igbo, Oburu Yoruba, Son Yoruba, Oburu Hausa, Son Hausa, Oburu Guinea, Oburu Tiv, Oburu Chui, Oburu, you know, Tingalese. Speak your traditional language as well as English language, especially children. You see, there is a new generation of children. Let me speak for the Igbo people. Kanku makandi Igbo, where sosi hana subo Igbo, Igbo ga hana kwa. You know, guys, my glasses again. Have you noticed I'm always doing this? Whenever I'm on camera, I start cleaning my glasses. So as I'm saying, guys, wherever you are, speak your language. That's the message I'm trying to pass on with Supu, and that's why this has come up. This whole Supu facade, this whole thing is here, because I want to encourage families, I want to encourage parents, I want to encourage children especially, because I've seen that children are keen to learn. A good example are with my kids. My children have saying a lot of things in Igbo. So one of the things to look out for on this channel next year is my kids and I, we've been having a chat, and I said to them, guys, should we try and see how much Igbo we can learn in the first 6 months of 2019? So that's going to be a big assignment for me. Get them to speak as much as they can. Sam the other day was saying Aroneki Dita. He was saying it to me. Aroneki Dita. He was saying, I was impressed. You know, arone ka edeta because I'm aware na arone ka edeta amago mwaka arone ka edeta no kata si arone ka edeta kana si arone ka edeta ka o jiri Igbo zam. So if I say to her arone ka edeta, I don't want her to say to me I'm 7 years old. Mba adimara sa mo sama sim adimara abo moralu chukwu mama sim adimara iri. So that's something I want them to say. When you at home are interested in your children speaking Igbo, speak it to them. They learn when they hear you speak. And if you're saying something to them that requires a reply, get them to reply in Igbo. Get them to reply in the language you want them to. I am pushing Igbo or any of our native African languages forward because children will always learn English. They will learn. You see French? If you want them to learn French, they will learn French at school. They will learn all those things. But Igbo is what you have to give them. That's why I'm pushing it. This is what I've got to give my children. This is what I've got to give children out there and families and people that are interested in learning Igbo language. So please keep pushing it, keep asking those questions, keep speaking it to them. You might think, oh, I don't know how speaking Igbo well, or hell, because don't worry about it. Whatever little you can speak to them, speak it to them. Now I was watching a video. There's this video on YouTube where the Igbo onyenkuzi wherever one say you can actually listen to Igbo, listen to it, and I so agree. One of the ways you can do this is by on YouTube. There are so many Igbo videos. There are so many channels of Igbo or of Igbo language that you can put on and listen to. You can listen to this one. You can listen to me chat. I'm always it. I'm no governor na subeke na so Igbo. Mani hindi Assyria bokandi na da what Igbo. Jiji what poni heneko. So the reason why I speak a lot of English so that those that do not understand Igbo will understand what I'm saying. So I speak it in Igbo, I speak it in English, I speak it in English, and I speak it in Igbo. But anyway, that's another story. So guys, in 2019, for the first 6 months, I will be doing I'll be teaching my children Igbo. It's gonna be a big project for me. Project Teach the Kids Igbo for the first 6 months, and by June of 2019, I'll see where we're at. I will vlog. Do a vlog on this as much as I can. Then also, I shall do a lot of Igbo language class videos where I will be discussing simple sentences in Igbo language. Then mix sentences with the who, where, why, what, and who, where, why, what, which in Igbo. You know, mix sentences with these words, or what is who, where, why, what, which. We'll do a lot of that next year. I've not thought the numbers yet in Igbo, at least numbers 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. We'll do that. I'm also going to be learning Igbo from people. So if you have anything interesting, anything nice, you know, anything you think is useful for this channel, please put in the comments box. I will either do a video on it, or I'll also comment and let you guys, you know, give you feedback. Something else we'll be doing is something I love about Igbo is the ilu. I love Igbo proverbs, and I will be you know, touching a bit of Igbo proverbs, because in Igbo language, the Igbo culture, we're always, you know, using proverbs to speak. Something else, there's Igbo conference coming up in March or April next year, 2019. I'll be going for it, and I think I'll do a vlog on that. I think I'll take my camera with me. Hopefully I'll be brave enough to hold my camera as much as I can. Probably the journey going there, bits of it, might not be the whole thing, but we'll do that. And what else to expect? I think 2019 will be fun. I'm trying to set up this space, like an office for myself, so that I don't have to be taking my camera around all the time. If you've noticed, I'm either shooting videos in the kitchen. I've done quite a few in my kitchen, but I want to have my own space set up, and that's all I've been doing. Now, something else. I was going to do a vlog. That come December video, I actually started a vlog. When we get a vlog, so I did the first day, second and the third days of December, and I couldn't. I find it so tricky, like carrying the camera, remembering to turn my camera on. I know if it's not important to me, I should remember, and it is important to me. No, say effort, you know. Then on Christmas Day, I started doing a Christmas vlog, a Christmas Day vlog, and I was saying on the video that I haven't planned dinner, I haven't planned a Christmas lunch or anything like that, but by 1 o'clock I decided to make some Turkish lamb stew in my home on Christmas Day. It's more about spending time with family, Thanksgiving, and it's less about the food, so whatever, we get a lot of neighbors, people, bringing food, and it's to be honest, it's less about the food than what Christmas actually means. So I was doing a vlog, and along the line, when I eventually decided on what to cook and started cooking, I thought, I can't be bothered to take my camera around with me, so I stopped. If I'm able to get the snippets of the videos I've done, if I can put it together to make one sensible video, I'll do that for you guys. If you're interested in seeing that, holla at the bottom. So what else? So I think I'm so excited about the year that has ended. I really want to thank everyone. Okay, I just wanted to tell a little story about when I started Supu. So then with my first video, that's where I've got the most likes. If you can see it, if you notice, the obby there is not the same as this obby now. It was such a new thing to me, and I really enjoyed seeing people. I think I have like 13 likes, 300 or so views, and at that point, with the likes coming in, I saw one dislike, and oh my god, my countenance just fell. In my heart, I was like, why would anybody dislike this video? So coming out on social media has helped me realize that everybody cannot like what you do, and that's a message I'm trying to pass on to people. It's all about being confident in what you do. If you enjoy what you're doing, which I absolutely enjoy, whenever I come back from work, I like coming down here to plan what to shoot. I love editing my videos. I absolutely love it. I love sitting down in front of the camera and talking to it as if I'm speaking to, well, I am speaking to you guys. So I love doing that. So that's something I have enjoyed doing this year. So anyway, when I saw that dislike, my countenance fell. But I had to say to myself, Obe, because so it's not everything you do that people will like. People will dislike. It's normal. It's human. Let people. If people like every single thing you do, then I promise you, there may just be something wrong. It's good to get that feedback to know, okay, you haven't done it right here. You haven't done it. You've done it. You didn't get it right here, and that way you improve. So with that, just seeing that dislike, I decided to myself, I have to do something to improve on the quality of my videos, improve on the content I'm sharing, and that is exactly why I would appreciate people commenting and letting me know what's going on. What do you like? What are your thoughts? And we can take things from there. And something else. So again, on Facebook, somebody said, there's this group I'm on Facebook. It's one of these really crazy ranty groups on Facebook. So there's a message saying that people should post what they do or what they enjoy doing, like post your hustle, So I thought, gosh. Oh no, post in what you have achieved. Na 2018. YouTube. And when I said that, there's a guy that liked it, and he sent me a friend request, which I did not accept. Like I said, I'm not really into all these friend agent. I've got a lot of friends and I do accept. But anyway, with this one, so somebody I didn't know, I didn't accept the friend request. So I would come on YouTube and see that one of my subscribers has unsubscribed, and I'm like, oh my gosh, But since doing my last 2 videos, my subscription, I must confess, when I say the number of subscription, don't laugh, I have only 60 subscribers. That 60 means a lot to me. You get the 60 people and the more that will subscribe, guys, you mean a lot to me. So anyway, my subscribers fell from 56 to 55, and I was like, gosh, I cannot believe it again. But no, I think for people that want to come onto social media, anything, or my Facebook or my Instagram, I'm not very big on Instagram or Twitter. It's just something I think I've only joined in Twitter within the last 3 weeks. Instagram probably the last 7 months, and I still haven't done anything in them. So it's all about being yourself, doing what you love, and doing it to the best of your ability. This is your video YouTube channel. And people will appreciate So do it to the best of your ability, and yes, of course, you won't get the odd 3, 5 dislikes or unsubscribes, but at the end of the day, you're doing what makes you happy. You're passing on a message. That's what I want Supu to do. I want to pass on a message to you guys. I want more people speaking Igbo. I want more families speaking Igbo. I'm gonna be designing a few products that I think will be very good with teaching or learning Igbo. Products that will be good for both parents or adults and children alike. So as soon as it's ready, you will hear me talk about it here. On that note, guys, I want to say to you a happy end of 2018. We'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow, the 1st of January 2019, is a special day. It is actually my birthday, and I'm going to be shooting a special happy birthday video for me. I'll be singing on Momomam. I'll be singing happy birthday to myself, and also it's Echibo but your mom. Echibo but your mom. So tomorrow is my birthday, and I'll be singing a happy birthday song to myself if I remember, but I'll be doing a special video, and hopefully we'll be teaching, or to just be simple, a chatty video like this one. So guys, a big thank you for all your love, a big thank you for all your subscribes, likes, shares, comments, watches, views, and those who have not viewed or have not done anything. Still, thank you so much for making Supu a reality for me. And until then, I will see you in the next year, in the new year. God, you know. So what have you done with yourself? For me, Supu. I know Supu is still very, or this YouTube channel is still very new, it's still very young, and I haven't had enough time to, put into it. Okay. I haven't had enough time